Welcome to Bali, a sublime paradise standing proud in the vast Indonesian archipelago. As an island and province nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, Bali is more than just a tropical retreat. It's an island that enthralls, an island that seduces, and an island that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Bali is one of the more than 17,000 islands that make up Indonesia, the world's largest archipelagic state. Situated between Java to the west and Lombok to the east, Bali is roughly 8 degrees south of the equator, gracing it with a tropical climate that lures sun-seekers all year round. But Bali is not just about sun, sand, and sea. The island is a tapestry of vibrant culture and traditions that are deeply woven into the fabric of everyday life. From the intoxicating aroma of incense wafting from the island's countless temples to the rhythmic beat of the gamelan echoing through its verdant landscapes, Bali is a feast for the senses. And then there's the landscape itself. From volcanic mountains shrouded in lush forests to emerald rice terraces cascading down hillsides, from bustling market towns to tranquil beach resorts, Bali's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. Above all else, it's the warmth and hospitality of the Balinese people that truly set this island apart. With their deep-rooted respect for nature, community, and spirituality, the Balinese have cultivated an island lifestyle that radiates tranquility and harmony. Bali is more than just a place. It's an experience, a feeling, a way of life. As a visitor, you don't simply see Bali, you feel it, you breathe it in, you let it wash over you. And when you leave, you take a piece of Bali with you, tucked away in your heart. As we take this aerial journey, prepare to be captivated by the sheer beauty and diversity of Bali. Bali is a land blessed with temples that stand as a testament to its rich history and deep spirituality. This island, known as the Island of the Gods, is adorned with over 20,000 temples, each one more majestic than the last and unique in its own right. Let's embark on an aerial journey to some of the most iconic temples in Bali. First stop, the Tanah Lot. This sea temple, perched atop a rock formation, appears to float at high tide. It's a sight to behold with its traditional Balinese architecture set against the backdrop of the vast Indian Ocean. Tanah Lot is not just a sight for sore eyes, but a place of tranquility, meditation, and worship. Next on our list is the Majestic Temple, also known as the Mother Temple of Bali. Nestled on the slopes of the sacred Mount Agung, this temple complex is the largest and holiest in Bali. It's a grand display of 23 separate but related temples, all united in their devotion to the supreme god, Asintya. The Majestic Temple is a masterpiece of Balinese architecture with its intricate stone carvings and towering tiered shrines known as immerse. These temples are much more than just beautiful structures. They are deeply intertwined with the Balinese culture. Each temple is a spiritual hub where the Balinese people come to pray, meditate, and celebrate their traditional ceremonies. Every aspect of these temples, from their location to their architecture, is steeped in symbolism and designed to facilitate a connection with the divine. Moreover, these temples are a testament to the Balinese people's deep spirituality and their harmonious relationship with nature. They are usually situated in breathtaking locations, on cliff-tops, mountains, by the sea, or amidst lush forests, embodying the Balinese philosophy of Trihita Karana, which emphasizes the balance between humans, nature, and the gods. These temples, each with their own tale, add a spiritual charm to the mesmerizing landscape of Bali. They are a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage, a serene retreat for the soul, and an architectural marvel that captivates the heart. Bali's beaches with their golden sands and azure waters are a paradise for sun worshippers and surfers alike. Picture this. The sun is kissing your skin, the rhythm of the waves is your soundtrack, and the salty breeze is your perfume. That's the magic of Bali's beaches. Let's start with Kuta Beach. Known as the Sunset Beach, Kuta is a stretch of golden sand that offers a stunning view of the setting sun. It's a favorite among surfers, both experienced and beginners, thanks to its consistent waves. But it's not all about surfing. Kuta also offers a lively nightlife with beachfront bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a cold drink and some local cuisine while soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. On to Seminyak Beach, the more sophisticated cousin of Kuta. Seminyak is a haven for luxury seekers with its high-end beach clubs and stylish boutiques. Its long, sandy beach is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing sunbath. And if you're into water sports, Seminyak offers some of the best spots for paddleboarding. And then there's Nusa Dua. This beach is synonymous with tranquility. Surrounded by lush greenery and clear waters, Nusa Dua is the perfect place to unwind and reconnect with nature. It's also home to some of the most luxurious resorts in Bali, making it a popular choice for honeymooners and couples. But these are just a few examples. Bali is dotted with numerous other beaches, each with its unique charm. Some are bustling with activity, offering a range of water sports like jet skiing, parasailing, and scuba diving. Others are serene, secluded spots ideal for meditation or a quiet read. So whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next adrenaline rush, or a tranquility lover seeking a peaceful retreat, Bali's beaches have something for everyone. Each one promises a unique coastal experience that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a tranquility lover, Bali's beaches promise an unforgettable coastal experience. The emerald green rice terraces of Bali are a sight to behold, a testament to the island's agricultural heritage. Stretching as far as the eye can see, these terraces cascade down the hillsides, forming a mesmerizing patchwork of green and gold. The island's vibrant rice terraces are truly one of nature's masterpieces. Among these, the iconic Tegallalang Rice Terrace stands out for its sheer beauty and scale. Located north of Ubud, Tegallalang is a testament to the Balinese people's respect for the land and their deep-rooted connection to agriculture. These terraces aren't just about the stunning views, they represent a way of life, a tradition that has been passed down through generations. Rice cultivation is more than just farming in Bali. It's a part of the island's cultural identity, a symbol of the Balinese people's harmony with nature. The terraces are meticulously crafted and maintained, reflecting the island's commitment to sustainability and preservation of its natural beauty. A unique feature of Bali's rice cultivation is the traditional subak system. It's a cooperative water management system that has been in place for centuries, ensuring the equitable distribution of water among the farmers. The subak system is a prime example of the Balinese people's community spirit and their ingenious agricultural practices. The subak system is not just about irrigation, it's also a socio-religious structure deeply intertwined with the island's Hindu traditions. The water temples scattered across the terraces are not just places of worship, they are integral to the functioning of the subak system, symbolizing the island's unique blend of spirituality and practicality. As you wander through these terraces, you can't help but be awed by their beauty and the tranquility they offer. They are a serene retreat from the bustling beaches and tourist hotspots, offering a glimpse into the island's rural life and its agricultural heritage. These terraced landscapes, a symbol of Bali's heart and soul, offer a serene and scenic retreat from the island's bustling beaches. So, whether you're a nature lover, a culture enthusiast, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, Bali's vibrant rice terraces are a must-visit. From ancient temples to vibrant beaches, from bustling markets to serene rice fields, Bali is a symphony of experiences waiting to be explored. In our journey across this enchanting island, we've seen the stunning diversity of landscapes and cultural landmarks that Bali has to offer. Each corner of Bali is a testament to its rich history and vibrant culture, an enduring tapestry of tradition and natural beauty that unfolds before your very eyes. Our adventure began with an aerial introduction that showcased the island's breathtaking vistas. The majestic temples of Bali, each with its unique architecture and sacred history, stand as timeless reminders of the island's spiritual heritage. They are places of worship, yes, but also living museums where the past and present coexist in harmony. We then explored Bali's breathtaking beaches, where golden sand meets the azure blue of the Indian Ocean. The beaches are more than just places for relaxation and fun. They are the heart and soul of Bali's vibrant tourism industry, offering a wide array of activities from surfing to snorkeling, from beach volleyball to romantic sunset walks. The journey continued through Bali's vibrant rice terraces, an iconic symbol of the island's agricultural heritage. These lush green fields, meticulously maintained and harvested, are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Balinese people. They are not just beautiful landscapes, but also living, breathing ecosystems that sustain the island and its inhabitants. Bali's appeal extends to a wide range of tourists. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or simply someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Bali has something for everyone. The island offers a harmonious blend of traditional culture and modern amenities, making it a perfect destination for any type of traveler. Bali, a paradise woven with rich culture and stunning landscapes, awaits your visit. Come, be part of this captivating symphony of experiences.